Kratom fuels a $1.5 billion industry in the United States, and hundreds of people have died while using it in Florida, according to medical examiners. That has prompted some to ask, how can something so widely available be associated with so much tragedy? The answer is that kratom is largely unregulated. Federal officials have tried and failed to ban kratom multiple times. It's listed as illegal in 6 states. But beyond those efforts, a Tampa Bay Times investigation found the industry has been left essentially to police itself. The American Kratom Association, an advocacy group supported by the industry, has spent millions trying to get laws passed all over the country. 11 states have passed some version of its Kratom Consumer Protection Act, Florida included. But we found that the bills do nothing to crack down on some high-dosage extracts that experts say are dangerous. Companies are free to market potent products without warning labels about potential drug interactions. But state lawmakers are often buying what the association is promoting. Here's why. Listen to this Louisiana lawmaker.
I haven't heard of this kratom.
That lawmaker then voted for the bill.
I'm not familiar with it. Is this a natural substance, synthetic?
That lawmaker voted for the association's bill too. Mac Haddow is the chief lobbyist for the association. He travels the country to speak to legislators.
We can't find a single one attributable to kratom alone, and that's not scientifically justified.
It's despite what you read in the press of a kratom death alone.
It's true that most of the kratom-related overdose deaths the Times found involved other substances. But Florida medical examiners in dozens of cases determined that kratom alone can, in fact, kill. In an interview, Haddow said he disagreed with the Times analysis and the medical examiner's findings. Dedicated kratom consumers also testify to the plant's benefits.
I was on multiple pills for my depression and anxiety, and I didn't feel myself. I felt like a zombie. I finally decided to take control of my existence and my life. That's when I discovered kratom.
Lawmakers have to balance this testimony with stories of terrible loss.
The day my Matthew died, I got a call from his girlfriend saying Matthew had a seizure, went into cardiac arrest. He's just doing this herbal thing for energy, and now he's gone.
Scientists who study the plant acknowledge that kratom is not easy to regulate. Many researchers argue it should not be banned. But as it stands today, when lawmakers across the country craft rules for kratom, they're mostly just getting one side of the story, the industry's. Follow for part 3 of our investigation, which tracks how this Southeast Asian plant ends up on Florida's shelves.